Good morning everyone. I am Yasar from BCA first year batch 1, and today I am going to solve the question from the 3D geometry chapter. So the question is, find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point 1, 3, minus 2 and is parallel to the given line x plus 1 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z plus 3y minus 6. So here we can see that a point is given and a line which is parallel to that line is given. So let's draw the figure for the clearance. So as we can see, let's say this is the point A which is given, which is 1, 3, minus 2, and this is a general point P which is x, y, z, and a line which is given. Let's join these 2 points, and here we can see that a line is given which is parallel to this AP line. So let's draw that line, and the equation of this line is x plus 1 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z plus 3 by minus 6. So now let's say this is point O, which is origin. We will join these 2 points. Let's say this is let's say this is r vector and this vector is r1 vector. So now we will find the equation, Cartesian equation of the given line. So as we know, these three 3, 5 and minus 6, these are the direction ratios, so which is ABC. So from this equation, x plus 1 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 5 is equals to z plus 3 by minus 6. We get that A is equals to 3, B is equals to 5 and C is equals to minus 6. This is because ABC are the direction ratios, and the normal form of this equation is x minus x1 upon A is equals to y minus y1 upon B is equals to z minus z1 upon C. From here, comparing A, B, C, the value of ABC become 3, 5 and minus 6. Now the given point is 1, 3, 2, which is from here, this is x1, y1, z1. So now we have the values x1, y1, z1 and the values of ABC. So we will directly apply the Cartesian equation formula. So Cartesian equation of given line. So Cartesian equation formula is x minus x1 upon A is equals to y minus y1 upon B is equals to z minus z1 upon C. So now we can directly put the values of x1, y1, z1 and ABC. So this will become x minus x1. The value of x1 is 1. So x minus 1 upon, and the value of A is 3 is equals to y minus, the value of y1 is 3 and the value of B is 5, and z minus, the value of z1 is minus 2, which will become z plus 2, and the value of C is minus A. So basically this is the required equation of the required Cartesian equation of the given line. Thank you.